Now, like I said to you before, this is a typical production possibility schedule and a curve. Now, this is a production possibility schedule. Remember that in economics, a schedule is a table showing the amount of goods that will be produced or output that will be produced. Now, look at it. This is the goods and services. This is production possibilities. This is what? This is production A, possibility B, possibility C, D, and what? E. Now, this country wants to produce two goods, which are capital goods and what? Consumption goods. Remember, I told you that production possibility curve shows the production of two possible goods that a country can produce, given their level of resources and what? Technology. Now, look at it. At a combination, the country was able to produce 0 capital goods and 25 consumption goods. At second combination, country was able to produce, that is at B combination, the country was able to produce 1 capital goods and 23 consumption goods. These are just examples. Then at C combination, the country was able to produce 2 capital goods and 20 consumption goods. At combination 3, at combination D, the country was able to produce 3 capital goods and 12 consumption goods. Then at combination E, the country was able to produce what? 4 capital goods and 0 consumption goods. Now, this is, remember I told you before that I will actually keep saying this, that production possibility curve actually shows the combination of the commodities that can be produced by a country given its level of resources. That is what the country has as an endowment, what the country is blessed with. Now, let's now illustrate this in a production possibility curve. This is a curve. This is the curve we're talking about now. This is the curve. Giving to these two goods, capital and what? Consumption goods. Now, these are the combination. Look at it. At this point, we produce 0 capital goods and 25 consumption goods. So look at it. At 0, at 25 consumption goods and 0 capital goods. This was at point A. Then at point B, we produce what? 23, look at it, 23, this is 20 to 25, 23 consumption goods and 1 capital goods. That's at this point consumption B. Then combination C, we produce what? 20, look at it, 20 consumption goods and 2 capital goods. Are you seeing it now? Then again, at combination D, look at this point. We produce what? 12 consumption goods and 3 capital goods. That's what you have here. Look at it here. Then at combination E, we produce what? 0 consumption goods and 4 what? Capital goods. So this is what we call production possibility what? Curve. That is combination of 2 commodities that can be produced by a country, given the country's what? Resources. Now, okay, we'll continue from here in our next video. Thank you.